Welcome to Vegan Kitchen. On today's episode, we will be preparing a very simple vegan omelette using chickpea flour instead of eggs. Let's get started. The ingredients for our omelette's batter are 1/4 cup of chickpeas flour, which is also 50 grams, 1/3 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of non-dairy milk, 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley, 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, half teaspoon of black salt. Find is essential to giving me that eggy taste in my omelette. It does not taste good raw, but when it's cooked it tastes good. And 1/4 teaspoon of freshly cracked black pepper. We'll start by mixing our dry ingredients first. I shall add in our water. Not sure if you knew this, but chickpea flour is very high in protein. I'm using 50 grams, so that's about 11 grams of protein from the chickpea flour alone. The nutritional yeast also gives you a protein boost. Add in your parsley and your tablespoon of non-dairy milk. Now, I'm going to be using 1/3 cup of cooked vegetables. Obviously this looks like more than 1/3 cup because they're raw. Once they cook, they go down in volume. You can use whatever you want. I'm using spinach, fire roasted tomatoes, red onion. We'll start by sauteing these first until they're soft, and then we'll set them aside. What we're going to want to do is oil our pan. I'm using olive oil. The choice is yours. And just add in our vegetables. I'll add my tomatoes in last because they're already fire roasted. We'll just cook until tender. Alright, our veggies are now done. I added in the tomato the very last minute because, like I said, it was already cooked. Set those to the side. Add in just a little droplet of oil. We'll put our heat to medium. Pour in the egg batter. And we will cook this for about 3 to 5 minutes until the top is nice and firm so that we can flip it without breaking it. Just making sure all the edges were loose. They also sell spatulas which are much bigger than mine. I'm not fortunate enough to have one. So I'm going to have to try my best here. Cook it for about another 3 minutes. We'll now spoon the veg onto one side of the omelette. Now we will carefully fold one side onto itself. We can plate this now. Here is our vegan chickpea flour omelette. It smells very eggy. It's nice and light and fluffy. Alright guys, I am about to devour this. So, if you liked this video and you would like more high-protein vegan recipes, please check out my website, www.vegankitchen.com, for a bunch of free recipes like this and more. And also check out my Instagram. I try to post daily. My username is Vegan Kitchen. Until next time, keep it vegan.